Morning, student. Let's start the second part of the chapter, The Fun They Had. In the first part, we have read the story set in 22nd century, about 150 years after today, in which Margie she's writing something in her diary, and she was writing about a real book that was found by Tom. We learned that Margie was 11 years old and Tommy was 13 years. And Margie and Tommy, they were having the mechanical teachers instead of the human teacher. Let's see. Poor performance of Margie in geography. Means Margie was studying with mechanical teacher, so she was having the poor performance in geography because she was not able to understand. Margie's teacher was giving her test. Margie's teacher means mechanical teacher, not the human being. Mechanical teacher, the teacher of computer screen, the teacher of television screen. That was giving her test after test in geography. And she was performing worse day by day. And she was not happy. She was not able to write the answer. She was not able to answer the questions which were being asked by the mechanical teacher in geography subject. This worried her mother. Her mother was not happy with this, so she sent for the county inspector. Who is the county inspector? Yes, county inspector. The county inspector was in charge of repairing any problem the mechanical teacher had. Mechanical teacher means Margie's teacher. He was a round little man. Means county inspector was a round little man with a red face. He carried with him a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He was there to do something easy for Margie so that she can learn. She can do good in the test in geography. So he was there. He offered an apple to Margie before attending to the mechanical teacher. He took the teacher apart. Means he wanted to do something. He found that it was going too quick, so he set it. Means the mechanical teacher was going so fast. And Margie was only 11 years old. That is why he slowed it down and set it to the average 10-year level. Means he set the mechanical teacher up to 10-year-old boy and girl, student, children. Because she was not able to do good in the test, she was getting worse and worse in test after test. That is why the county inspector slowed it. Margie's thought. That day when her teacher was teaching, yes, something is left. This disappointed her. Yes, slowed it down. Margie's disappointment. Why Margie was not happy? Margie thought that the setting of geography sector would take about 1 month as Tommy's history sector did. She hoped that the county inspector wouldn't be able to put her teacher back together and she would be off of the subject for a while. She was thinking that the county inspector would take the mechanical teacher and after 1 month or 2 months he will bring it back and she will have the off of 1 or 2 because she was a little girl. She wanted the offs from mechanical teacher. She was not happy with that. This disappointed her as she was not released of studying geography even for a single day. Because the county inspector, what did he do? He set the mechanical teacher according to her age and he did not take any time. Margie's thought. That was she was not happy. Margie thought that day when her teacher was teaching her addition of fraction. One day, Her teacher was teaching her addition of fraction. Her thought were, it means her mind was elsewhere. She was not just paying attention towards that. She was thinking what she was thinking. She was thinking what fun and the kids might be having studying, playing, and enjoying together in centuries ago. As my dear student, you have. You study together, you play together, you enjoy together. But after 150 years, it will not be possible. Mechanical teacher will be there, and the student, they were having the mechanical teacher in their home, and they will be studying. So Margie's school was a computer screen in a room that was next to her bedroom. She had no classmate and learned from a mechanical teacher. She was thinking that county inspector wouldn't be able to put her teacher back together and she will be having the off. But she was disappointed by this. She thought the old schools must have been fun. She liked the thought that all the kids from neighborhood would be laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in a schoolroom. But in Marchie school, there was no interaction between the student and the teacher. Creates a problem in rectification after study. She was having the problem, and the teacher is not there, and the students are not there to talk. The teacher is not there to talk. She cannot talk with the mechanical teacher. She needs the human teacher. So Margie is not happy, and she was thinking about that, about the school's life. Let's take a quick revision. Yes, what did Margie grandfather tell her about the old book? Margie grandfather told her that when he was a child, his grandfather had told him that the story were printed on the paper. Why did Tommy consider the book a waste? Tommy called it a waste because once the books are read, they were just thrown away. Whereas the e-book had the capacity of holding more than a million of books. Who called for the county inspector and why? Margie mother called for the county inspector because Margie performance in geography was very poor in spite of repeated tests. She was giving test after test, but that was she was not doing good. This worried her mother. So my dear student, you will just watch the video again and again and you will understand the chapter and you will do the comprehensive questions. Some NCERT questions also you will solve. Thank you, student.